What's up, everyone? Chlorine King here. I'm out here at a client's house diagnosing some automation issues. They noted that their pool wasn't staying in spa mode, so I started investigating and started, looking at the automation board. Now, if we look over here on the board itself, there should be a fuse. There's this fuse here. Normally if something pops, the actuator or something like that will pop that fuse, but that fuse is in good shape. And then I looked here where the automation actuators actually plug in, and those were actually, there's no signs of charring or burning, so couldn't quite figure out what was going on. And so I grabbed the new actuator out of the truck and plugged it in, and noticed that spa and pool mode worked just fine with the new actuator. So it's very uncommon that the actuators fail, not one but both of them. So I started tracing the wires back, and I found, I'm going to show you, these are the bad actuators here, but the actuator was actually chewed by, they have bunnies and rabbits in the yard, and it actually chewed the wires of the actuator and caused that to basically ruin the connection between the board and the actuator. So pool and spa mode wasn't working. So definitely do your due diligence, check out the fuse, check out the plugs in the board for the actuators if they're not turning, see if there's any burn marks or anything like that. Because at first I thought it was a bad board until I brought that new actuator out and started tracing the wires of the existing actuators and found that they were chewed on. So just something to think about. Hopefully you guys learned a little bit. Like and subscribe and stay tuned for more videos. Have a great day.